guys, what's up? I'm here to show you how to connect a server on Minecraft Pocket Edition 0.7.5. Now, click free and click edit and external and click server name in the blank and click anything you like. So I'm gonna name it CTF and click done. Now click the address in the blank and there is this thing and let's put the address in the server and this is the server I join every day. So type this ctf dot lbsg dot net and click done. And don't worry about the port because that is a default port on MCPE 0.7.5 or higher version. And click add server. And now see 2CTF name because I added it first. And now let's click unjoin it. Let's click unjoin it. Now it's loading, building train. And I'm gonna go play it. So wait a minute or a second if your internet so fast because my internet is lower than 3 Mbps. Sorry about that. See, a little more, a little more, a little bit more, a little bit more than. Yes, done. Now let's go crazy. So we are electric. This screen is so funny because it's getting laggy. I can play well because I'm recording it and I hope you can connect to the server. That's it. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like to my channel and my video. This is my first video of course because I don't know how to record it. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like.